Hi, I'm Stephen. I look after product development here at Pure Tone Aesthetics, and today I'm going to talk to you about the different treatment heads that you can use with the Innocera multi-purpose skincare tool. So the first treatment head we're going to look at is the Jawline Treatment Head, and this uses a combination of RF radio frequency energy and also IF Electroporation. So it's got two different treatment modes. The RF head uses radio frequency energy to target sort of the deeper layers inside the skin. That will generate new collagen, and that will then help to tighten and lift the skin. And it'll also improve the overall quality of the skin. The IF Electroporation mode uses energy to open up sort of temporary pathways into the skin. I mean, your skin actually acts as a natural barrier. It doesn't want to let the cosmetics and serums in. So electroporation just opens up the skin and allows you to sort of push that serum deep inside the skin so it actually works and you're not wasting it. First of all, we need to attach the treatment head to the Innocera skincare tool. So we can take this head off. We line up the dots on the front of the unit and it just rotates into place like so. We then press and hold the power button to turn the unit on. And then you can switch between those two modes, the IF and the RF. And we can also adjust the intensity level, which is the amount of power that the device is going to put out. So to begin with, I will start with the RF mode. So what we need to do first is we need to apply the Innocera face-up gel. The gel is really important because that's going to act as the conductor between the head and your skin. So it's going to make sure the energy, that RF energy, is going to go from the device deep inside your skin. It also incorporates a lot of active anti-aging ingredients. So as well as the device helping to lift and tighten the skin, the gel is going to do the same thing. So you've got a dual action approach. So we don't want to put too much on, just sort of a pea-sized amount. And we're not going to cover the whole face. We just want to put enough onto the area that we're going to treat. And then we just add a little bit more as we go. So we press the power button, a short press to switch between the two modes. And then we set the intensity level using this button here. So ideally just start at a low setting and see how that feels on your skin. And then you can increase that setting as you go and you get a bit more used to it. Now, each of the RF modes and the IF modes are a 5-minute treatment. So it sets a timer and you just work around your face until the timer ends. Okay, so I'm going to press the start button to begin the treatment. You can hear it sort of ticking away, so you know that it's working. You just apply it onto the skin and we just gently move it around. So this is perfect really for the cheeks, as well as the jawline and the throat area. So we're just going to roll that sort of up and down. Obviously you can see that's shaped perfectly for the jawline. And there's a sort of a gentle heat that comes off the device. It's really beneficial on the sort of fleshier parts of your face. And then when you want to move on to the next part of your face, just apply a little bit more gel. just continue the process. It's a really nice sort of massage effect. Once the RF mode has finished, the unit will automatically switch off, and then we can begin the IF Electroporation treatment instead. And there's two ways you can approach this. You can use the face-up gel, which will work, but you can also use a dedicated serum if you prefer. So we produce the Radiant Ampoule, which is a dual action anti-aging serum. It's just more concentrated than the anti-aging ingredients that you find in the face-up gel. But it's an optional thing, and you wouldn't necessarily use this every time. Sometimes you can use the face-up gel, sometimes you can use the serum, and you can also just use this as a standalone serum. So it just works as something that you can put on in the morning, or you can put on at night. But you use it in the same way as you'd use the face-up gel. So we just apply a small amount onto the skin. I'm just going to have a couple of pumps. Just going to pop that onto the skin, just sort of pat it on. Then we take our device, switch it into the IF mode, adjust the intensity level, and then we press the start button to begin the treatment. And again, we just follow the same process as we did before. Just gently work our way around the face. And as I mentioned before, electroporation just opens up the skin, so it basically allows the device to push that serum all the way into the skin. So you don't get any wastage. You're really maximizing the serum. It's going to get deep into the skin, and you're going to get the most benefit out of it. Once the timer has counted down for 5 minutes, the device will automatically switch off and the treatment is finished. Now, you can use this daily. You can use RF and IF daily, but I would recommend at least 3 times a week to keep that consistency going, and you're going to see the best results if you do that. That covers the Jawline Treatment Head. If you need any more information, if you've got any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much.